If you're looking to maintain that perfect blonde shade or keep your gray hair looking fresh, purple shampoo is a must-have in your hair care routine. Purple shampoo helps neutralize unwanted yellow tones, keeping your hair looking vibrant and cool. In this video, we'll review the top 5 purple shampoos that promise to keep your blonde and gray locks looking their best. Let's dive into these top picks to find the perfect match for your hair needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Olaplex number 4 P Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. The Olaplex number 4 P Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo is a premium product designed to enhance and maintain blonde and gray hair. This shampoo is formulated with Olaplex's signature bond-building technology, offering both toning and hair strengthening benefits. Key features: this shampoo contains purple pigments to neutralize brassiness and yellow tones, while Olaplex's bond-building technology works to strengthen and repair damaged hair. It also features a sulfate-free formula, making it gentle on the hair and scalp while still delivering effective toning. Benefits and usage: ideal for maintaining vibrant blonde and gray hair, the number 4 P Blonde Enhancer helps to neutralize unwanted warmth and enhance cool tones. For best results, use it once or twice a week, applying it to wet hair, lathering, and leaving it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Usability: the shampoo has a rich, creamy texture that lathers well and rinses out easily. Its gentle formula makes it suitable for frequent use without causing dryness or damage. It also leaves the hair feeling soft and looking vibrant. Durability: the Olaplex number 4 P maintains its effectiveness throughout its shelf life. Proper storage in a cool, dry place preserves the integrity of its active ingredients, ensuring consistent performance with each use. In the second spot, we have Fanola No Yellow Shampoo. Fanola No Yellow Shampoo is renowned for its intense purple pigmentation, designed specifically to counteract stubborn yellow tones in blonde, gray, and silver hair. It is a popular choice for achieving a cooler, more neutral hair color. Key features: this shampoo features high concentrations of violet pigments that effectively neutralize yellow undertones. Its formula is enriched with nourishing ingredients like panthenol to maintain hair moisture while removing brassiness. It's also sulfate-free, ensuring it's gentle on the hair. Benefits and usage: Fanola No Yellow Shampoo is perfect for those with very blonde or gray hair looking to eliminate unwanted warmth. Apply it to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. For intense results, leave it on for up to 10 minutes. Usability: the shampoo's potent formula provides noticeable results after just one use. It's easy to incorporate into your routine, with a rich, pigmented lather that effectively tones hair without excessive dryness. Durability: the product retains its efficacy throughout its shelf life. Proper storage helps maintain the stability of its purple pigments and other key ingredients, providing reliable results over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Purple Shampoo by Redken Color Extend Blondage. Redken Color Extend Blondage Shampoo is formulated to enhance and maintain blonde and gray hair by neutralizing brassy tones and boosting brightness. It combines purple pigments with a conditioning formula for added benefits. Key features: this shampoo features a blend of purple pigments to neutralize unwanted yellow tones and amino acids to strengthen and protect the hair. It also includes a unique triple acid protein complex to improve hair texture and shine. Benefits and usage: ideal for daily use, the Color Extend Blondage Shampoo helps keep blonde and gray hair vibrant and healthy. Apply to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. It's gentle enough for regular use, maintaining color while improving hair quality. Usability: the shampoo provides a rich lather and easy rinse, leaving hair feeling clean and conditioned. Its balanced formula is suitable for various hair types and textures, offering both toning and strengthening benefits. Durability: the product maintains its effectiveness throughout its shelf life. Proper storage ensures that the purple pigments and conditioning agents remain stable, providing consistent toning and nourishing results. Taking our 4th spot is Clairol Shimmer Lights Shampoo. Clairol Shimmer Lights Shampoo is a classic choice for enhancing blonde and gray hair with its purple toning formula. It's designed to neutralize yellow tones and add shine to the hair. Key features: this shampoo contains violet pigments to counteract brassiness and improve the overall appearance of blonde and gray hair. It also features conditioning agents to enhance shine and softness, making it a well-rounded product for maintaining color. Benefits and usage: Shimmer Lights Shampoo is effective for brightening blonde and gray hair while reducing unwanted warmth. For best results, use it once or twice a week, applying to wet hair and leaving it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Usability: the shampoo has a creamy texture that lathers well and rinses out easily. It's suitable for all hair types and helps maintain a vibrant, salon-fresh look. It also enhances shine and manageability with regular use. Durability: the product remains effective throughout its shelf life. Proper storage preserves the stability of the purple pigments and conditioning agents, ensuring reliable toning and shine-enhancing performance. And finally, at number 5, we have Matrix Total Results So Silver Shampoo. Matrix Total Results So Silver Shampoo is formulated to brighten blonde and gray hair while neutralizing yellow tones. It's a popular choice for those seeking a high-performance purple shampoo with added conditioning benefits. Key features: this shampoo features a potent purple formula that neutralizes brassiness and enhances silver and blonde tones. It also includes moisturizing agents to help keep hair hydrated and soft. Its sulfate-free formula ensures a gentle cleansing experience. Benefits and usage: Total Results So Silver Shampoo is designed to maintain vibrant blonde and gray hair by reducing yellow tones and improving overall hair health. Apply to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Use regularly for the best results. Usability: the shampoo provides a rich, foamy lather that cleanses thoroughly while toning effectively. Its gentle formula is suitable for frequent use and helps maintain a bright, cool hair color. Durability: the product retains its efficacy throughout its shelf life. Proper storage helps maintain the stability of the purple pigments and moisturizing agents, providing consistent performance with each use. Choosing the right purple shampoo can make a huge difference in maintaining the vibrancy of your blonde or gray hair. Each of these top 5 shampoos offers unique benefits to help you achieve and maintain the perfect tone. Thank you for watching, and if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more haircare tips and product reviews. Keep your hair looking fabulous and fresh.